Alright guys, welcome back. So we're going to be solving another question in today's video, and we have 64 to the x is equal to square root of 16 times square root of 8, and we have to figure out the answer. So first of all, from the laws of the exponent, we know when we have a to the power of m to the power of n, this will be equal to a to the power of m times n. So we know 64 is 8 times 8, which is 2 to the 3 times 2 to the 3, or 2 to the 6. If you want to go straight, it's good to memorize all the exponents of 2 from 1 to ideally 10. Gonna help us a lot in the long run. So 64 is 2 to the 6, and this will be to the power of x, and on the right side of the equation we have 16 square root of 8. So based on this law that I explained in there, we can do 2 to the power of 6x is equal to what we have on the right side, 16. So in order to get rid of the square root on the right side, we're going to do the squares on each side. So basically we have the same thing. We can do 6x times 2, or 12x is equal to 16 times square root of 8. And we know 8 is 4 times 2. So we can take 4 out of the square root. So basically we'll have 16 times 2 square root of 2. So what we have is 2 to the power of 12x is equal to 2 times 16, 32 times square root of 2. So it seems if we do the squares on each side, we're going to get rid of the square root of 2. So this time we have 2 to the power of 24x is equal to, so when we have a times b to the power of 2, this will be equal to a squared times b squared. So here we have 32 squared times the square root of 2 to the power of 2, which is basically 2. And what we have so far on the left side is 2 to the power of 24x. And we know 32 is 2 to the 5. And we have this to the power of 2 times 2. So what we have in here is 2 to the power of 24x is equal to, we can multiply these two, so 2 to the 10 times 2 to the 1. Exponent, we know when we have a to the power of m times a to the n, this will be equal to a to the power of m plus n. So 2 to the 24x will be equal to, this is our m, this will be our n, so 2 to the 11, and all we need to do in here is just to have 24x is equal to 11, and our x would be simply 11 over 24, which is the final answer for this question. So yeah, that would be all for this one. Please let me know if you have any questions, or if you have any other ways to solve this question. I'd be happy to discuss it with you guys in the comment section. You guys take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.